Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a child to your reservation on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom corner, we have, as you can see, the home screen, where you can go and book your flight, the book flight, where you can also do that, your trips, flight status, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a child to your reservation on Frontier Airlines. So first of all, visit the Frontier Airlines website, or of course, the application. Then navigate to your trips, so my trips here, and then enter your confirmation code and your last name to go and find your trip. Click on Manage Booking option after you've done that, and look for the option to add special services and select Child. After that, follow the prompts to complete the process and pay any applicable fees. If, of course, you need further assistance, you can chat with the Frontier Airlines representative on their website or call their customer support. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.